edition.
Baby? Baby surprise?
Yeah.
Baby surprise! What do you think is in there?
Babies.
Babies? Let's open it! Let's see what's in there.
A phone. Babies have phone, but they're broken. It's broken.
Let's open them. What is this? LOL. Baby surprise.
Here's the zipper.
Ooh. Oh, wow. It's a big suitcase.
Wow. Yikes.
Wow.
Another layer.
Yay, look. Look, friends, it's so beautiful. It's a suitcase. Yay. How do we open it? Oh.
Maybe there's something at the top.
Yeah.
A zipper.
Yay. And another zipper here again.
Uh-oh.
Here's another zipper. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Wow.
Oi, no. Oi, oi, oi.
Hi. Let's open. What is this? I love this big suitcase. Look at friends. It's pink and it's light blue. And it has many surprises in it. Let's open it now. Let's see what's in there.
Wow.
Oh, wow. It's a purse. Wow, I love it. It's a purse. Let's see what's inside the purse.
Okay, just need to open this.
Oh, look, it has some pearls. Wow. It's an LOL baby. Yay. Wow, it's giant. It's a giant baby.
I thought it was gonna be super small.
No, it's big. It's giant. Look at her. Wow, her blue eyes. And-
Gaga?
And she has purple hair and yellow hair. And she has blue at the front. And she's wearing diapers.
Diaper, Google.
More surprises.
The
What is
car.
that? Oh, it has the name of the baby. What's her name, Amy? Her name is
Lil Bon Bon.
Lil Bon Bon. Yes.
I wonder why.
Let's open the surprises and see what's inside.
Sunglasses.
Ooh, sunglasses. Wow, and the figure. Oh, the figure. Oh, they're lovely. They're pink. Oh, they're super cute. Oh, they're lovely.
Wow.
Do they fit the baby too, or it's only for yourself?
Let's. Oh. No. Okay. I know how to fix this.
You know how to fix it? Cool.
I'm a glass fixer.
Oh, you're
Glasses.
a glasses fixer.
Yay.
You know how to repair them. Good for you. Let's try them on the baby.
Whoa.
Baby, you have a big face. looks so cute. Oh.
She has this big thing.
Let's open the other toys and see what else I think come in there.
What do you think this is?
Yeah, that's I think that. Oh yeah, that's to put it on the baby maybe. To hold the baby's glasses. Ah.
Let's give it a try.
I want to help you hold them, the glasses, and you hold.
Put this in.
And now here. Yeah, don't put my hair.
Ta-da!
Ah, she looks so cute.
Now they fit. Let's open one more.
Let's open one more.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
The baby bottle. The baby bottle is in there. What does it comes in it? Is it glitter? Yeah, it's glitter. You want to shake it and see what happens if you shake it? Ooh. I think the glitter. Oh.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Wow. It's beautiful. Aww.
Do you think
Did
she
you actually
will
pick a
drink?
baby? Oh, yes. Oh, baby's drinking
Uh-oh.
her sparkle milky.
Oh, phew.
She's not gonna pee.
I feel like she's gonna
Aw.
pee.
She's so cute. She's so cute.
No. Good.
What else is in the
Maybe
bag?
afternoon.
Let's check what else is in the purse.
Ah. Ah.
Ooh.
Ah.
That's all.
Here's
is
the
that?
bracelet. Boop, 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 boop. Which is very tangled.
Very tangled. What is it? Amy, where did it come in the toys? What is this?
This is a pacifier.
It's a pacifier.
And you put this, twist it,
Twist it.
and then
Oh.
you put this over the baby.
Oh, it's the baby. It's okay. You don't need to put it on the baby if it doesn't fit. Oh, it does fit. Oh, she looks so cute with the pacifier on. It's a little bit. Oh, she looks so cute. I love her. She's so sweet. What else do you do with the pacifier? Show her friends.
Okay.
It's a surprise.
And then you open it,
You open it and then you
you
remove.
twist it again,
Uh-huh.
then open it.
You twist it again. Twist it to the other
I'm
side.
thinking that I'm making it more locks.
Twist it.
E.
Why is it so tricky?
E.
Twist it and pull it. You can see. Okay, and then.
Now you put this inside, twist it.
And then you make your own pacifier. Let's see.
Okay. I hope it fits. I hope it fits.
It looks
Ooh, gaga.
good. It looks so cute.
lipstick.
Wow! Let me see. What color is it? You're putting blue lipstick on your lips? Show me. Oh no, it's pink. I think it's purple. No, it's pink. Oh.
Is it glittery or not glittery?
First I thought it was blue. Then I thought it was purple. But luckily it was pink. No. And finally, what's pink at first?
I don't
Another
know.
surprise. Ooh, what is that?
Another baby pacifier. And
What? First, show our friends what is that. Because I'm a little confused. Put it on the table, I can see. Wow! It's a cell phone.
bing, bing,
And it
bing,
seems like
bing,
that.
bing, bing,
The
bing.
screen is cracked.
So
Wait a
then,
minute, are you trying to open the cell phone?
now,
Oh, wait a minute, you opened the cell phone.
now you know what's inside itself.
It's, what is it?
I don't
Shimmer?
shimmer.
Can you put it on your face, on the side like this, and see how it glows? Let's see. Ah, it does glow. Yeah.
How do I look? I need a mirror.
Pretty. I love it. Now I'm gonna get the first for myself.
Hello? Bing. Look, I'm pressing this. Okay.
For text messages.
Now voicemail. Hello?
Hello.
Ah! It's broken!
Broken.
How can you hear me?
Phone your
That's
phone.
scary. I'm at low battery.
So you can carry. Ah, Amy, let's see what we got in our surprise. We have our baby. What was her name?
Baby Bum Bum.
It was a little Bum Bum. And it comes with the beautiful glasses. They're purple. And it comes with this beautiful purse.
And remember, I think I know why.
Ah, and the pacifier.
Bum Bum.
And the cell phone. It's a shimmer makeup. And it's real makeup. And also the pacifier came with a real lipstick. And it's blue, but then it turns out that it's pink. It changes the color on Amy's lips. I love it. Oh, and it came also with the baby bottle to feed our baby when baby's tired and hungry, right? Let's put all our toys inside.
But
the
I'm not gonna feed her a lot. Because you know what's gonna happen.
What's gonna happen?
Her name.
Boom, boom. She's gonna go party. Okay, let's put it in the purse.
And I don't put it like this or else it's gonna pee on my face.
Okay,
Or poop on my
so
face.
first, we're gonna put our beautiful cell phone inside the purse.
You mean my cell phone.
Okay, first cell phone.
Now I know why it's broken. Now I know why it cracks.
And then the baby bottle, so we cannot forget the baby bottle. Yeah.
Now my pacifier. My
Hey, you
lipstick
specified them, yes. I know she selects them. Okay. No, she doesn't. Okay. Yeah. No, don't tell my friends. How was to know that? How mean. Put everything in the purse. We need to go.
Okay.
Let's take them for shopping. Bring the baby. Bring the cell phone. Baby in the purse.
And her glasses.
And the glasses. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh my god, that's so heavy. Oh my god.
Bye, friend. Thank you, Ella. And surprise, baby surprise. We love that. It's so much fun. It comes with many accessories.
I thought the baby was gonna be so.
And it's huge. But we think we love it. I think
That's
it's
a giant baby. I was never that big when I was a child.
And we love the makeup. It's so cute. I love the lipstick